Wednesdays to provide a little day of respite for some of our staff and our team. There's been a lot going on here in Gig Harbor this last year, and we're just kind of having some fun. So some of our prep cooks are working to just kind of make sure that the steps and processes are moving forward with some of the things that we have here. We're having a good time creating some of the food for you. And so we have some options coming up. I just want to let you know that we have some great ideas coming forward. We are playing with a few crazy ideas, menu options, things coming up into the future, things I can't quite tell you just yet, but we're a little excited. A lot of little menu rewrites, and putting things together. So one of the things that I wanted to just kind of tease you with is what we affectionately call, not our pepperoni roll. A lot of you have been enjoying that super appetizer, but we're kind of creating something for some of those late night items that you might be craving. And so this is going to be more of a savory dish. And so here's a couple questions for you. Leave your notes down in the comments. What would you think to call this? What's your feedback? I love hearing from my team. I love hearing from you. And so I'm really excited about this, but I wanted to show you one of our new ideas. This is a play on Grandma Esther's cinnamon rolls. And this is going to be a pepperoni roll. This is a 4-ounce risen bread roll with our house-made tomato sauce, pepperoni, fabulous cheeses, and our herb and garlic blend. And so I'm going to show this up for you here in just a second. All right. I just wanted to say my apologies about some of the emails that you've had in the past. We had a little glitch with the server that hosts us. We've made some changes, and so hopefully none of you have had any more calendar issues. That was unintentional, and you have my most sincere apologies. But I hope you enjoyed some of our videos.